you combine two or more, okay, two or more material. For example, yesterday I said I had breakfast with hot Milo. So I mix, first one I mix Milo, sugar and hot water. So now, is my breakfast considered as mixture? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, good
Yes.
job. Because mixture happen when you mix two or more, okay? Two or more. So if I only drink plain water, is that considered as mixture?
Nope.
Only plain water?
No.
No, good job. Okay, no. So in order to have mixture, you have to mix two or more material. Okay, for hot Milo just now, I mix three material. The first one, I mix Milo. Second one, sugar. And the third one is
Teacher, I have what my
water. Yes, later
teacher,
you can
I
drink your
just
hot
joined.
Milo. Yes, you just joined our class. So we are going to continue our lesson from yesterday's topic, okay? Topic mixture. Okay, teacher will share the screen with you. I already tried to fix the sound, but hopefully you guys can hear the sound today. I'm not sure whether it's my laptop or the school internet connection. Which one is the problem? I'm not sure, but my laptop was just fine with P3 just now. Hopefully you guys can hear the sound, okay? But
Hello.
but but let's say when teacher show the video after this, you guys cannot hear the sound. Don't worry, don't be panic. Later, teacher will share that video in your seesaw and you can watch it on your own. Okay, can we do that? Can you understand my instruction? Can you do the thumbs up if you can understand my instruction? Can you do the thumbs up if you can understand my instruction? Okay, so teacher will share the screen with you. Okay. Yes,
Teacher, teacher,
yes, yes.
I just joined.
You just joined our class. It's okay, teacher haven't started yet. Now I'm going to share the screen with you. Okay. You are not left behind. Don't worry. Okay. So now I already started to share my screen with you. Can you do the thumbs up if you can see my screen? Can you do the thumbs up if you can see my screen? All right. Can you do the thumbs up? Okay. Now you guys can see my screen, right? All right. Iskandar, are you okay? You can hear teacher or not, Iskandar? Can hear teacher?
Yes, saya punya bateri low tapi saya dah
Uh-huh.
charge dah tapi dia tak
Hmm.
naik. Saya
Oh,
tengah betulkan.
all right. Okay, if you have any problem, later update to teacher, okay? Okay. All right, so teacher will show the video that we have watched yesterday. Okay? If you cannot hear the sound, don't worry. Teacher will explain to you and later I will attach this video in your seesaw, okay? All right, so this is the video about how to separate a mixture. Okay, just now teacher already give you example what is the mixture. Okay, my hot Milo just now. You just need to remember in order for us to have a mixture, we need to combine two or more. Okay, two or more. Then we can call them as mixture. Okay, now for our lesson, we will look on how to separate them. Okay, how to separate mixture.
There are lots of materials that we see or use every day.
Okay, just want to check. Can you see? Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Yes. Can you hear the sound from the video?
Hello.
No.
Please.
Okay.
I can see teacher. Thank you. Yes.
Okay. Some of you can hear, but some of you couldn't. So I'm not sure whether it's my internet connection or yours, or there's some problem with the audio, but it's okay. You can look at your screen first. Okay, let's watch the video first. Teacher will explain to you, and after this you can watch this video on your own. Okay, I will give the link in your seesaw. All right. Okay, so what you see on your screen now is the examples of mixture. Okay, we have 5 examples here. The first one, we have mixture of grain, muddy water, sand and wood debris, rice grain and flour, paper clips and sand. Okay, so all this mixture is from different kind of material. Okay, different kind of material. So we're going to look at how to separate them. Yesterday, we already do the notes about all these 5 methods to separate them. So today we're going to look at the examples of mixture that we can use the specific method to separate them. Okay, so the first one.
Some of these materials are called mixtures. When 2 or more materials are mixed together,
So this is what I've been talking about just now. Mixtures are made when 2 or more materials mix together. Okay, so let's say when you want to have your lunch later, if your mom, if you see your mom do iced tea or Milo ice, okay, you can tell your mom, oh, I already learned this in the technical class. Okay, this one we can call them as mixture. Why? Because we mix the Milo and sugar, water, and also ice. Okay, so you need to remember when 2 or more materials mix together, we call them as mixture. All right, so let's move on to the
they
next
become a
one.
mixture. Mixtures can be separated using several methods. These methods include hand picking,
Okay, we have 5
sieving,
methods to
magnetic
separate
attraction,
mixture.
flotation, and filtration.
Okay, this one we have done in our notebook yesterday. The first one is hand picking, second one sieving, the third one magnetic attraction, the fourth one flotation, and the last one is filtration. Okay, so hand picking you can use when the object is large and also have different shape. Okay, sieving, usually if you ever seen your mom bake a cake, usually they will use the sieving method to separate fine size material. Flour, we can consider them as a fine size material, small size. So we can use sieving method. For magnetic attraction, we can use to separate material that can be attracted from magnet from the material that cannot be attracted by magnet. Flotation. Flotation. If you pronounce flotation, it have the word float in it. Okay, float. So yesterday someone already shared with us what is the meaning of float. So today anyone can share with teacher what is the meaning of float? Can anyone share with teacher today? Can anyone share with teacher today? What is
Floating
the
above
meaning?
water.
Floating above water. Yes, good job. So flotation means that, okay, ability to stay on top of water, stay above the water. Good job. Okay. So for filtration, we use to separate materials that are solid from liquid. Can anyone give teacher the example of solid today? Solid. Example of solid. Anyone can give teacher example? Yes.
Sand.
What is the example?
Sand.
Sand. Good job. Sand is considered as solid. Good job. Can we have another example?
Table.
Table also considered as
Teacher,
solid. Yes, correct. Yes. Ada?
can I drink water?
Yes, can. If you want to take your water bottle to bring your study table, also can.
This book. We need book.
Book, yes, you need notebook. Okay, if you have science pattern book, that's better.
Some book I don't have.
Ah, but if you don't have, you can use any notebook, my dear, any notebook.
Okay.
Okay, any notebook that you got at home, okay? It's okay. All right, so just now your friend already shared with us what is the example of solid. Now, teacher wants someone to give me the example of liquid. Anyone can give teacher example of liquid? Liquid, what is the example of liquid?
The hand picking method is used to separate material.
Yesterday someone share with teacher. Today no one remember what is example of liquid?
Water. Water.
Water, good job. Correct. Water is a liquid. Milk also, milk that you drink also considered as liquid. Okay, good job. Okay. So as
Milk.
long as as long as as long as you know the differences between solid and liquid, then it's fine. Okay. Before teacher continue with our class, I need all of you to mute your microphone first. Turn your microphone off first.
Oh, jelly beans.
Yes, it's mixture of drinks. Actually, it's not actually. Kali, can you turn off the microphone? Turn off the microphone. Do you know how to turn? Do you know how to turn it off? Kali? Okay, thank you. All right, so let's continue. Okay. The first one is we have hand picking method. Okay. When the mixture are large and also have different shape, you can use hand picking method. So when we hear the name hand picking method, obviously we are going to use our hand to separate them. Okay, let's look how it's going to do
in
it.
a mixture that are large and have different shapes. When
They
you
separate
mixed
the
grains,
mixture.
you can use the hand picking method.
Okay, hand picking method means you use your hand to pick them and separate them according to the size and colors. Okay, you can use hand picking method for large and also object that have different shape.
The
Move to the
sieving
next
method is
one.
used to separate large-sized and fine-sized materials.
Okay, second one we have sieving method. Okay, why we use sieving method? For example, before your mom bake a cake, okay, usually they will use sieving method. Okay, if you can look on your screen now, this is how the sieving method is done. Okay.
In a mixture. My mom uses this method to separate flour and bran when she bakes a cake.
Okay. Here, the metal thing here, we call them as sieve. Okay. The metal thing here, we call it as sieve. Okay. We use this sieve to separate bran from flour. Okay. So, some of your friends are joining the class. Wait for a while. Sapphire Dragon, who is this? This is why the teacher needs you to use our email so that I know who is joining our class.
Who
Okay.
is Sunfire Dragon?
I'm not sure. Maybe it's some of our friends, but it's okay. We'll continue our class. Okay. So now, that's how you do the
attraction is
sieving
used to
method.
separate materials in a mixture.
Okay, the third one we have magnetic attraction. All right, so yesterday teacher already asked you, paperclip can be attracted by magnets or not? Paperclip can, yes, correct. Can, good job. Okay, so paperclip is made up from metal. So paperclip can be attracted by magnet. Okay, so how about sand? Sand can be attracted by magnets or not? Sand? Sand can be attracted by magnet or not? Hmm?
No.
No, good job. So, in order for us to separate material that can be attracted by magnet from the material that cannot be attracted, we can use magnetic attraction. For example, this boy, okay, on your screen now, this boy is separating paperclip from the sand. So, let's look at how he do it.
That are attracted to
Now
magnets
the
from materials
paperclip is attracted to the magnet.
that are not. If you want to separate paper clips that your little sister mixed with the sand, you can use this method.
Okay, so you can use this method.
Zayat is
Uh,
some teacher. Zayat is some
yes.
fire dragon.
Oh, just now fire dragon is Ayat. Okay. So if you want to separate for this example, okay, we have paperclip here and also the sand. So you can use magnetic attraction because paperclip can be attracted by magnets while the sand cannot be attracted by magnet. Okay. Let's move on to the
The
next
flotation
one.
method is used to separate the
Okay. This method is about flotation. Just now your friend already shared with us the meaning of float. Okay. So the ability of turn off the microphone. Do not turn it on unless when teacher call your name or when teacher ask you question. Alright. So the flotation method we use to separate material that can float from material that sink in water. Okay, for example, in this aquarium, we have wood debris and also sand. Now, this boy wants to separate the wood debris from the sand is in this old aquarium. So let's see how he do it.
materials
Okay.
in a mixture that float or sink in water. When you want to remove the wood debris from the sand in your
All right. Now, as you can see in the video just now, when the boy put the water inside this aquarium, these wood debris will float. So it's easier for him to remove it. Okay. So that's how we do the flotation method. So when you see the word flotation, you need to remember it's related to float. Okay, float. So we use to separate material that can float from material that sinks. Okay.
old aquarium, this method will help you to solve your problem.
All right. So now, when you already fill in the water, so the wood debris will float here. So he can take out this wood debris. Okay. So now we already separate wood debris from sand because sand sinks in the water. That's why we use this method to separate the wood debris from sand.
The filtration method is used to separate solid from liquid material.
Okay, this is our last method. Okay, the filtration method we use to separate solid from liquid. Just now, teacher asked you to give me example of solid, and all of your examples are correct. Good job, and also liquid. Okay, so if there's a mixture of solid and liquid, you can use this method. Okay, filtration method to separate them. Okay, now we're going to look at the video, and when you come back to school later, we're going to do the experiment together. Okay, don't worry.
In a mixture. You used this in one of your experiments in school when you separated mud from water in a muddy water mixture.
Okay, now we have muddy water here. So we want to separate the mud from the water. So we can use this method. Okay, when we use the filter paper inside here, okay, we use the filter paper, the mud will stay while the water will go down to this speaker. Okay, let's look at the video. Now you can see the clear water, but the mud remains on the filter paper. This is how we separate solid from liquid. Okay. So far, can you guys understand the video? Which already showed you the video yesterday. So far, can you guys understand the video? Can you do the thumbs up if you can? Yes? Can you do the thumbs up if you can understand? Can you do the thumbs up? Yes? Okay. So, How many methods we have to separate a mixture? How many methods we have? Can anyone tell teacher how many methods we have to separate a mixture?
5.
5. Good job. We have 5 methods to separate a mixture. Okay. So first one we have here hand picking, sieving, magnetic attraction, flotation, and last one is filtration. You need to remember, okay, all these 5. All right. First one, we have hand picking method. Okay. So now, if you can see here, there's a mixture of grains. So this boy is using hand picking method to separate the grains according to their shape and size. Who did not turn off the microphone? All right. So, anyone can tell teacher what is this one? What is this? What is this? Can you see on your screen? What I'm showing you on your screen? Anyone can give
Vegetable.
teacher?
Yeah, vegetable. Hand picking
Vegetables? Are you sure it's a vegetable?
Jajan virus. No.
Jajan virus. No, it's not a vegetable.
Yeah, it's not vegetables.
Who can tell teacher what is this? Who can tell teacher what is this?
That is keropok.
Keropok?
Jajan. Pasta. Spaghetti pasta.
Pasta? No.
Spaghetti.
Moroku. Yes. I heard the correct answer.
Fresh.
Yes. Okay. You can turn off the
Fresh.
microphone now. Good job. Okay.
I think it's fresh.
Trash is not trash. It's not trash, my dear. It's food. Okay. All of you turn off the microphone right away. Listen to my explanation. All right. Thank you. Okay. So, thank you for answering my question. Okay. Good try. But I heard turn off the microphone.
Jajan.
I said turn off the microphone. Iskandar, turn off microphone, Iskandar. Faster. All right, thank you. Okay, so I heard the right answer just now. Someone said Morocco. Okay, so this is actually a bowl of Morocco. Okay, so in Morocco, the yellow one, we call them as Morocco. Okay, so the green one and also red one is actually a nut. Okay, nut. Kacang, nuts. Okay, so what method can you use to separate this maruku? Anyone can tell teacher? What method can you use to separate this maruku?
Hand picking.
Good job. Okay, correct. All your answer is correct. You can use hand picking method. Why? Because both of maruku and nut have a large size and also the shape is different. So in order to separate this maruku, mister, you can use your hand to pick the maruku and also the nuts and arrange them according to their shape and color. Okay. Hopefully you guys understand the method of hand picking so far. We're going to move to the next one. Okay. Next one we have sieving method. Sieving method usually used before our mom bake a cake. Okay. So this I'm not sure you have this at home or not. Okay. This gray.
At home.
You have it. Okay. This gray method, we call it as sieve. Okay. Sieve actually, usually your mom use before she bake a cake. Okay. To make sure the flour is unmixed with another things. Okay. For example, teacher have here, what is this? Can you guess what is this? Can you guess what is this? Anyone can guess what is this? Cereal? Okay, cereal. What is that?
Oats and raisins. Oats and raisins.
Okay, good
Kismis.
job, correct. Kismis, good job, correct. Kismis, raisins, both are the same thing, okay? All right, so actually, in this bowl, we have the black one is raisins, okay? Kismis, just now, your friend said raisins. Okay, so we have cereal and also the white thing here is flour. So now, let's say teacher wants the flour only. So what method should we use to separate this one? What method can we use?
Sieving.
Sieving method. Good job. So in order to separate the
I was
flour
about
from
to
the,
say that.
yes, Miss, you already got the correct answer. Okay, good job. Okay. So you use sieving method to separate the flour from the raisins. So far, can you guys understand the hand picking method and also sieving method? Can you do the thumbs up if you understand? Can you do the thumbs up if you understand? Can you do the thumbs up if you understand? Muaz? Muaz? Look at the screen, my dear. Look at the screen. If you look at that way, how are you going to understand the lesson for today? You have to look at the screen. Look at what I'm showing you. Okay. So let's continue. Next one is magnetic attraction.
Why is
Hopefully you
there
guys.
so many checks? That's the same thing.
Yes, you can use your normal voice. Don't shout. I'm wearing a earphone. So if
There's
you
a
talk,
lot.
Yeah, but
Check.
teacher,
Why
there's a lot of
people
thumbs up. 2, 3, 4. Can we leave
check
now?
and it's a lot.
Why Maizatul Shahadah do this? This is tragedy.
okay, turn off your microphone. All right. So in the chat box, all of you need to stop now. Okay. Chit-chatting in the chat box. Stop chit-chatting in the chat box right away. Okay. If you did not focus in my class, later when I ask question, you did not answer. Then you say, Teacher Dihaz, I haven't taught me this yet. I haven't learned this. But it turns out then you didn't focus when I explaining to you. So listen to my explanation. Okay. So that later you can answer the question in your activity book. Alright? If you listen to me later, if you look at your mom baking a cake, you can share with your mom. Oh, I learned this in my science class. Now you are using a sieving method. Okay? You can apply the knowledge in your daily life, but you need to focus first. Alright. So let's move on to the next one. This is magnetic attraction. Okay. When you see the word magnetic attraction, you need to remember we use this to separate paperclip from sand or any material that can be attracted by magnet. Okay. Last one is flotation method. Flotation method, we separate material that can float from material that sink. Okay, last one, we have filtration. Filtration method is used to separate solid from liquid. Okay, from my observation just now, okay, I can see that you guys can differentiate between the solid and also liquid. That's good enough. Okay, so now get ready with your pencil and notebook now. For those who are using paper, you can get ready with your paper also. Okay. Are you ready to write now? Are you ready? Everyone ready with your notebook and pencil? Ready?
Yes.
This one we already done yesterday. If you are using the same book from yesterday, you can check in your book. We already done this, okay, yesterday. But for those who just joined our class today, you have to do this, okay? For those who just joined our class today, you have to do this. This one, teacher do together with your friend yesterday in our previous class. All right. So now ready, today we're going to add some example, okay? Example under the under the word here, hand picking method. The example of mixture that can be used to, that we can use hand picking to separate them, okay? So now, do you still remember what teacher showed you just now? The yellow one. Do you still remember what is the name of that mixture?
A
Who
sand.
still remember? A sand? No. For
Teacher,
hand
use another page.
Yes.
Use another page.
Page. Page for what, my dear?
Teacher, we must to copy that in our book.
Yes, in your Tatan book or notebook. Okay. Today we're not going to do the activity book yet. We will use
Teacher, but I
activity
don't have
book
ruler.
on Friday.
I
Ruler?
already done.
Okay, I can hear you. Wait. Okay. Uh, it's better for you to use ruler, but if you don't have, it's okay. You just can draw. Okay, draw without ruler. Okay, yeah. Okay, hand picking method. Just now I show you Morocco. Okay, now write inside your book. Follow up. Yes.
Do we need to
Yes.
do again because I already finished the do it?
No, I said this one we have done yesterday, okay? This part we done yesterday. Here we done yesterday. Okay, this one yesterday. So you don't have to do again. Why you would want to do the same thing twice? Okay? Teacher already said.
Teacher, I
in
not
our
done yet because
Yes,
yesterday
yesterday
I don't
you
have.
didn't join the class. I know. That's why teacher say, if you didn't join the class yesterday, you have to do it this one today, okay? So for those who already have this one from yesterday, you can add this one, okay? This one, Morocco. Now write. Under hand picking that you write yesterday, write Morocco. Morocco, right? Now. Right, Morocco, because yesterday we already done the first note. Here we're going to continue on the example of mixture that we can use to separate using the first one, hand picking method. Okay. So the second one, who still remember what example the teacher give you just now? Mixture of what? The second one just now for sieving. Do you guys still remember? Just now? With the black color. What mixture did I show you just now? What mixture did I show you just now? No one remember? Okay, look. Yes, good job. Thank you. Okay, copy now. Do exactly like how I do it. Okay. I'm teaching you how to do the notes. Okay. How to do the notes. So when you use this method, it's easier for you when you want to revise later. Or when you want to do the activity book, suddenly you forgot what method should we use. So you can refer to this note. Alright. For magnetic attraction, anyone remember what is the example that teacher showed you just now?
Sand and paper clips.
Good job, correct. Sand and paper clip.
Teacher, but my book is small. My Tatan book is small, but how I want to do 4 and 5?
4 and 5. If it didn't fit inside your book, you can use the next page, okay? You can use the next page.
Dekat bawah tak boleh ke?
Bawah, if still has space, you can do it.
Okay.
Yes.
Do I have enough space?
Come again, my dear.
Teacher, yang yesterday tu kena buat juga ke?
Okay, now two person is talking, so I couldn't hear you clearly. Can you guys come one by one?
Teacher.
Aside from Yaya, who the other person just now?
Teacher.
Besides Yaya, yes.
Yesterday and today must to do ke?
No, this one I just show you. Your friend got confused just now. For the note, so this one I say, This note we do yesterday. This note we added for our today's lesson. This one you don't have to do. Yes? Yes? Anyone want to ask teacher? Aaron?
Teacher.
Yes, Aaron? Yes, what are you showing teacher, Aaron?
Teacher,
If you
I
don't
want
have
copy,
space, you can use the
teacher.
next.
Teacher, I'm not done yet.
Wait lah, yeah. Don't shout. Use your normal voice. I'm wearing
Teacher,
earphone.
I want copy, teacher.
You want to copy?
I
Wait,
just
I will
want to
show.
copy.
Yeah, I will show again. Be patient. Okay.
Teacher,
Now you can.
muruku dengan benda lain tu nak kena salin ke?
Which one?
Dengan muruku dengan raisin and flour apa semua tu nak kena salin ke?
Yes.
Okay.
This one, muruku, raisin and flour, okay, sand and pepper clip. This one is our note for today. Okay. This one is our note for today. Okay, for flotation just now, teacher show you example of wood, grease,
Muruku.
wood, debris, and make sure you do the notes together with teacher, okay? When you come back to school later, I will ask for your book and also your paper. I will check your notes. Debris and
Flour.
okay. For filtration just now, teacher show you the example of muddy water.
Teacher,
Yes,
at the filtration, what are you writing?
muddy water.
Oh, because there is space and the U looks like a V.
Yes, because I'm using my cursor, so I couldn't write exactly like I write in the whiteboard or when I'm using pencil. I try to fix it.
Done.
Done. Okay. So now that you already done.
Done.
Done. Okay. So for those who are not done
Not
yet.
yet.
Okay, it's okay. Take your time. Teacher will still showing the screen. Okay. For those who already done the notes, okay, teacher already uploaded the quiz in the RVS web page that day. Teacher already asked you who already can log in and who still cannot. But in previous class, all of you already can log in. But just now, I think Mia still cannot log in into the RVS web page. It's okay. Teacher Shalwani already submitted your email and also your name to the IT department. Hopefully, they will get back to you.
Teacher,
Teacher,
I
done.
episode. I don't know how to open.
Don't know how to open what? The link? You don't know how to open the...
Teacher, I already
opened.
Okay, if you already... okay, some of your friends are still copying the notes. Okay, wait. For those who are still copying the notes, you wait first. Don't leave the class yet, okay? Wait first. After this, teacher will show this slide again. Wait, okay, don't leave. Now, for those who already can open your RVS web page, okay? After this, turn off your mic. Teacher want to tell you how to open the RVS web page. Okay. You can open the RVS web page, okay, log in. After log in, you go to the library.
I know how to.
Yes.
how to log in.
Yes, okay.
I'm already in.
You're already in. Okay, go to your libraries, click Edu Games, then click Science, okay? Now you guys are which primary? Primary 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Which one?
2.
2.
Primary 2.
Yes, primary 2. So click primary 2. Okay, so what topic did we learn today? What topic did we learn today? What topic did we learn today?
Mixture.
Okay, so, all right. Okay, turn off the microphone. Thank you. All right, so now find the mixture quiz. Okay, teacher already uploaded. Okay, the mixture quiz for you. Mixture quiz, click mixture quiz. So let's see, what do we have here? We have
Teacher, how to spell the game?
how to spell the game.
Oh, it's okay. I
Okay,
already
this
know
is-
how to spell.
Okay, so now you click start. Okay, so which of the following method can be used to separate two large size materials? So here we have example of Morocco just now. So which one is the correct answer? Filtration, magnetic attraction, or hand picking?
Hand
picking. Okay, so you click hand picking. Wow, it's correct. So the next one you have to play it on your own. Okay. So far, for those who already understand,
Please.
link.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, please, can you put a seesaw? I don't know how to open.
Oh, I can
Just
give the
click.
link. Wait.
Click the color blue.
I can give the link for you in the seesaw, but you still have to log in into the RVS
Just click yang
website.
tulisan warna biru tu. I cannot. I already tried.
Last week, I think Ayah already can log in, right? Last week, yeah. The one that you do together with teacher.
Oh, teacher. Wait, I put your hand.
Okay. For who already can log in, okay, teacher already send the link in the chat box. Try to click that one. Try to click that link.
Wow. Teacher, I already done.
Already done.
Wait, I want to.
Open RVS. Okay, for
Yet.
not yet. Okay, later teacher will show you the slide just now. Okay, this slide. Okay. Okay, you wait first. All right. Listen to my instruction. For those who already finished the notes and for those who can open the RVS web page, you can leave the class first, open RVS web page, then answer the question. Answer the quiz that teacher already prepared to you. Okay. Then
Teacher, can we do it now?
Yes, you can do now and you can leave the class now. Okay, teacher wants to
Bye.
have a friend.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Bye. Waalaikumsalam, Aida. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Those who not done, wait first, okay? Bye. Bye. Those who not done, wait first, okay? So we'll help you to get the notes. Those who not done, if you're done, you can leave first, okay? You can click the link that teacher already shared with you just now. Alright, for those who not done, teacher will share with you the screen again. Okay, I will help you to get the notes for our today's class. Okay, don't leave yet. Okay, Khalif, what number are you now, Khalif?
Number
Number?
5.
Number 5. Okay.
Number 5.